is promises you can bank on. So, brothers and sisters, promises sa Bible na pwede mong asahan. Una, I will never leave you nor forsake you. According to Hebrews 13 verse 5. 2, all things work together for good. Romans 8 verse 28. 3, ask and it will be given to you. Matthew 7:7. This is faith. Next topic is the human camera. The human camera sa Biblia, brothers and sisters, una, si Ananias, nakakita ng vision mula sa Diyos. According to Acts 9 verse 10 to 18. Pangalawa, si Ezekiel. So, si Ezekiel, chapter 1 verse 3, nakakita ng mga vision tungkol sa Diyos. Parehas ito sila ni Ananias at Ezekiel. 3, si John. According to Revelation 1 verse 22, nakakita ng revelation tungkol sa hinaharap. Ito lang ang pagkakaiba nila, brothers and sisters. Si Ananias. Okay, next topic is no authority. No authority, brothers and sisters. There is no authority except that which God has established. According to Romans 13 verse 1. 2, si Jesus sa mga otoridad. Matthew 21 verse 23 to 27 and John 19 verse 11. 3, mga leader na walang otoridad ayon sa Biblia na makita sa Marcos 10 verse 42 to 45. Authority, this is authority.